Let me hear you say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Do you like that, like that, like that, like that?
Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Property, and today I'm at 3 Spyglass Close in Peregian Springs, which is a stunning single-level north-facing home in a quiet court.
Do you like that, like that?
What I love most is on entry to the home, you're instantly captivated by the design. The U-shaped floor plan wraps around the large in-ground pool with an abundance of glass and high ceilings, which draws in the natural light. The master bedroom is at the front of the home and has views onto the pool through plantation shutters and is serviced with an open ensuite and walk-in robe. There are 3 further bedrooms, zoned with their own central living or study area, a main bathroom and laundry with internal access from the garage. There are 2 large separate living areas at the north of the home. A spacious lounge with views to the backyard is perfect for reading or relaxing. The open plan kitchen, dining and living area is suited for entertaining as it opens out onto the undercover alfresco. Thanks so much for watching. I love the flow of this home as there are so many indoor and outdoor spaces that you can enjoy in every season. We look forward to seeing you at the next open home. For those interstate and overseas, we're more than happy to walk you through virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Sun comes up in the morning.